There are hints of change brewing behind the scenes at Tesla's production plants, where difficulties have caused a drop in car deliveries. This may be a setback, but is just a lull in a magnificent symphony. With an incredible 2 million Cybertruck back orders, Tesla is set to ascend to unprecedented heights. Tesla rules the pickup truck war. When the gauntlet is thrown, contestants shudder at the magnitude of the task that lies ahead. As the future develops, Tesla's unwavering concentration on the battery storage industry promises further strong growth. In this vision, the options are as boundless as the heavens. Stay tuned as we investigate Tesla's mysterious future. Click the subscribe and notify buttons. Let's get this video started, and welcome to Tesla Stock News. Come along with us as we briefly explore the electrifying world of Tesla. Tesla's plants were operating at full capacity in the third quarter of 2023, producing an astounding 430,000 automobiles. Awaiting consumers received the keys to 435,559 shiny Tesla cars. As you may remember, 466,000 of the 479,000 Tesla tests that were manufactured in the previous quarter were able to find new homes. You may wonder why the drop. Remember that little statement about taking a brief break to clean up their production facilities, which was made during Tesla's Q2 2023 earnings call. Even with that brief outage, Tesla shipped more units in Q3 2023 than were produced. So what's the lesson here, my dear reader? The demand for Teslas around the globe has not decreased. On October 21st, 2023, Tesla already made available its Q3 2023 financial results. Analysts anticipate $25.9 billion in revenue and $0.71 in earnings per share. Investors were keenly monitoring Tesla's financial performance in the third quarter of 2023 as the firm dealt with a number of issues, including supply chain interruptions, growing expenses, and the persistent global semiconductor scarcity. But Tesla is also reaping the rewards of robust demand for its electric cars. In fact, the business has been able to boost output in recent months. Whether Tesla will meet or surpass analyst projections for Q3 2023 is still up in the air. On the other hand, the business is in a strong position to expand over time. Based on the quantity of Teslas observed driving during the quarter, we suspect that the real figures may fall short of these upper and lower range projections. Though their cars receive a lot of attention, don't overlook their energy storage stage performance. It will probably lessen that effect somewhat. You ask about margins? Our forecasts suggest significantly lower gross margins, even in the case of milder revenues, due to the higher cost of the Model Y, declining material costs, more automated assembly lines, and depreciation. But there's more than one side to any coin. Profit margins may somewhat shrink if Tesla increases manufacturing for the energy-storing Megapack and the futuristic Cybertruck and makes further investments in artificial intelligence. As a result, earnings per share this quarter may not be as high as last year, but they will still be significantly better than last quarter's. To top it all off, Tesla's plotline doesn't change our price target of $492 per share, which was determined using a 10-year financial projection. Our model, which has 10% profit margins, steady revenue growth of 50% over a 10-year period, and other specifics that beg to be purchased, is something the mathematicians among you would find appealing. Let's change gears and move from the world of Teslas to the tough world of pickups. Please raise your hands if you can see the first Cybertruck roll off the assembly line. Talk of launch festivities is all over the streets, indicating that the much-awaited debut of the Cybertruck is almost here. Consider this pickup trucks are a mainstay, making up an astounding 20% of the U.S. car market. As such, Tesla's showroom required this substantial piece of the puzzle, but not any longer. We are all glued to our seats, waiting for the presentation of the Cybertruck. Looking out to see the larger picture of the pickup truck market, Ford's F-Series trucks hold the title of America's best-selling vehicle with pride. They are a timeless representation of the might and adaptability of the American people. The Chevrolet Silverado from General Motors is a strong competitor in this competitive battle for truck efficiency. Ford leaves a powerful impression with the F-150 Lightning, a vehicle meant to continue the legendary F-Series tradition into a sustainable future. It is prepared to travel far and wide due to its remarkable 320-mile range and its strong 7,700 lb towing capacity, making it more than just a green vehicle. Rather, it is a fierce workhorse. The starting price for all of this is astonishingly affordable, starting at just $50,000 across the electric battlefield. Chevrolet's Silverado EV is not about to give up. It looks to be competitive with the promise of 400-mile trips on a single charge. However, its incredible 10,000 lb towing capacity is what really makes it stand out and makes it a formidable competitor in the world of electric trucks. With a $52,000 beginning price, it is a competitive option in this expanding market. Let's now focus on the much-awaited Tesla Cybertruck. With its incredible 500-mile range, this futuristic marvel raises the bar for electric truck travel. Without a doubt, Its impressive 14,000 lb towing capability conveys its seriousness. However, let's not make a hasty decision. The Cybertruck is in the same league as the electric and conventional fuel-fed Ford and Chevy trucks, challenging its dominance and pushing the envelope of innovation. The stage is set for an epic confrontation between the cutting-edge electric power capabilities and the heritage of vintage American trucks in an electrifying showdown, with every competitor fighting for attention in this thrilling revolution of the automobile industry. The future of pickup trucks has never looked more interesting, but given the Cybertruck's incredible features, we expect it to be the talk of the driveway. Be warned, due to the precise design and production intricacies, demand may spike quicker than Tesla can produce these bad boys. We anticipate Tesla to increase manufacturing in order to close the gap between supply and demand as the buzz around the Cybertruck gets louder over time. Let's make a big prediction. We're wagering that the Cybertruck sales will surpass predictions, despite its unusual, almost alien appearance, which some claim lacks broad appeal. Though it may seem like we're singing the same old song, allow us to introduce you to the Cybertruck, which is to the pickup world what the iPhone was to the smartphone industry. Do you recall the revolutionary impact of the iPhone? It was a revolution, not just a phone. In a similar vein, the Cybertruck is set to revolutionize the pickup experience thanks to its groundbreaking features. Watch as it electrifies the sales chart. The irony is that while the United Auto Workers have now made a stand, it may not be the miracle ticket that Tesla had hoped for. Envision the massive production lines of Ford, General Motors, and Stellantis coming to a complete stop. We're here to put a stop to the notion that Tesla would benefit from such a disruption, despite the quick wagers of many, even if the UAW strike has an impact on these massive automakers. It's more probable that they will bear the brunt of higher labor expenses rather than passing them along to customers. You might wonder why these titans, however, aren't going to let a labor cost of only 4 to 5% per vehicle keep them off the road, not with the auto industry making such huge profits. Just have a look at Ford and GM's astounding net income projections for 2023, $11.2 billion, $9.30 billion, and $31.1 billion respectively. It's not as easy as one player losing and another winning. So let's add another layer. Prior to the demands for a 40% wage increase, the UAW's initial request appeared to be well-founded. However, a pay boost this large would force automakers toward a future where machines replace people in production. Automation might very well become the norm. Now, what should we learn from this? The UAW stand could, in the short term, hurt Ford, GM, and Stellantis' profit margins. But as time goes on, it's possible that these businesses will adopt automation even more fervently. Contrary to common assumption, Tesla may not win this battle hands down. There are many moves on the enormous car chessboard, and each one has an effect. Have you heard of the Act to Reduce Inflation? With an impressive $400 billion investment, this green energy promoting behemoth appears to be well aligned with Tesla's mission to lead the global transition to renewable energy. The good news keeps coming. The investment tax credit has made Tesla's electric cars even more affordable. This tax credit encourages environmentally friendly transportation choices while simultaneously making Tesla's superb EVs more affordable. This increase in value makes Tesla's electric cars more accessible and encourages more people to embrace the green movement. Yet there's more to be happy about. The Powerwall and Megapack energy storage systems from Tesla are also highlighted with the possibility of up to 30% in tax benefits. This financial benefit adds a strong incentive in addition to highlighting their environmental benefits. These tax credits make Tesla's energy storage products even more alluring, combining real cost savings with sustainable energy objectives. It's a calculated action that demonstrates Tesla's dedication to changing the face of energy while offering its users useful benefits. Imagine this: the IRA has set aside a whopping $122 billion to fund the use of clean energy. I hope this helps. Let me know if you need any more adjustments.